Join me as I dive into the world of trading and try to uncover which major global events actually inspire my trading strategies. Here's something wild. Over 80% of major market swings in the last decade were triggered by global events, from elections to wars to surprise economic shakeups. Let's break down how this actually affects your trading. Trading doesn't happen in a vacuum. Every headline, every crisis, every major announcement has the power to move markets. Understanding how these world events feed directly into trading strategies isn't just useful, it's essential. Today, we're unpacking why staying tuned into global events is one of the sharpest edges you can have as a trader. Here's the challenge: global events are unpredictable. Full stop. Traders constantly struggle with adapting to sudden shifts, volatility spikes, sentiment flips, liquidity dries up, and fear or hype sweeps the markets in seconds. Maybe you've been there. Should you jump in, sit tight, cut your losses, let it run? This uncertainty pushes traders into emotional decisions, and that's where things can go sideways. The real challenge is mastering the balance. React fast enough to seize opportunities, but stay grounded enough to avoid being whipsawed by every headline. To do that, traders need clarity, awareness, and a strategy that bends without breaking. And that starts with understanding how global events hit the markets. Let's look at the types of world events that shake the markets: political unrest, elections, coups, sanctions, conflicts. All can instantly shift investor confidence and cause rapid inflows or outflows. Natural disasters, hurricanes, earthquakes, massive floods, they disrupt supply chains, crush production, and send commodity and insurance markets into chaos. Economic shifts, changes in interest rates, inflation surprises, GDP reports, or new trade agreements can flip market momentum overnight. Every event is like a ripple, some tiny, some massive. And knowing how these ripples affect currencies, indices, commodities, and crypto can give traders a serious advantage, because you stop reacting blindly and start recognizing patterns. One of the most powerful examples of navigating a world event is the 2008 financial crisis. While most of the world was in shock, a handful of traders saw what was coming. They analyzed the collapsing mortgage market, connected the dots, and acted decisively. Some made fortunes short-selling mortgage-backed securities. Others shifted into safe haven assets like gold. Some pivoted into sectors that historically hold strong during crisis periods. What did they all have in common? They didn't guess. They observed, interpreted global signals, and executed with clarity. It's a perfect example of how understanding world events can transform chaos into opportunity. World events are constantly shaping the markets, every day, every hour. The more plugged in you are, the stronger your trading decisions become. Stay informed, stay flexible, and keep sharpening your strategy. What about you? How have global events influenced your trading decisions? Drop your thoughts or stories in the comments. And if you want to dive deeper into this topic, hit the link in my bio, your gateway to more insights and exclusive reads in our bookshop.